finna rip it from you. Riding around in my coupe. Rory that ain't got no roof. Sorry, I cannot get loose. I'm always chasing the Benjamins.
G'day beasts and welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel today. And in today's video, we're going through a thrift shop haul from my pickups over the last 2 weeks. There isn't too much quantity, but the quality is really good. So if you do go on to enjoy, don't forget to smack the video a like and also subscribe. Join the beast if you guys want to see more of this sort of content. Thank you so much for watching, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, so starting off, we have this white pair of Wrangler denim. So Wrangler's not a bad brand. I got it for, what has it got here, $3. So a $3 white pair of denim. As you guys saw on my Boxing Day haul, I've been picking up a fair few white pieces of denim, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. As you guys can see, the cut is like kind of big on the bottom for the leg opening, but that's sort of coming into fashion. I don't know whether I'm going to keep it or pin roll it or do something like that. There is one problem, and it is the bleeding on the press studs that they've used. I don't know why that's happened, but it just has, so I'm going to have to deal with that. I'm going to have to clean it up. And yeah, so that's going to be a little bit of a task, but for $3, I've been looking at these at the same thrift for probably 6 months, I reckon, and I finally picked them up. So I was pretty excited about that pickup, and I will, yeah, definitely get them cleaned up. So at this one thrift last year, I did get a black pair of denim, and I pretty much wore it all through winter and all through spring, really. It was just a really versatile, skinny denim, and I literally got my money's worth out of the $2 that I spent on it. And I had another come up in this same thrift, and it is another black pair of denim. So I've done my own distressing on this one, on the knee blowout area. That took me a couple of hours, and if you do follow my Instagram, shameless plug, at Beast2East, go and check it out. I did show off this on the account, I think it was yesterday, and it was just a little bit of distressing. I haven't had any black distressing, black denim distressed before, so had to do it. It was an easy cop, size 32, a little bit small, but we're making it work. Okay, so now we're getting into some absolute fire, and this is what I was really excited to make this video for. So let's just start off by saying I've never had any Jordan or Jordan brand stuff really ever. I bought a pair of like rubbish Jordan brand Jordans for basketball, but the thing is I've never had any numbered Jordans. And in this thrift, I've walked in, and straight in front of me were 2 pairs of Jordans, and I knew it was an instant cop the minute that I saw them. So what are they? We've got the white cement 3s and the Toro Bravo 4s. So out of the two, the white cement 3s are my favorite. They pretty much check out for legitimacy, and I wouldn't expect these to not be. They're really cool. They got the Jordan Air on the back, so not the Nike Air, but that still looks really fresh. I'm really happy with that. And they're in great condition. I couldn't have really asked for anything more. Like, the only thing I could ask for more was that they'll be in a box, and that's reaching a little bit far. So they're in a size 11. I traditionally am a size 13, and when I saw them, I thought they looked pretty big anyway, and I put my foot in them. They're a bit tight around this section here in the white cement 3s, but nevertheless, I'm still going to wear them because, well, they're white cement 3s. Why would I not wear them? And yeah, so that was definitely my favorite. And then the other one, the Toro Bravo 4s, just a really easy to wear colorway in terms of a red and black shoe in a Jordan. They're a little bit snug, more so around this forefoot area than the cement 3s, but I still went with them anyway because, well, you can't really leave them there. So all up, the 2 pairs cost me $40 together Australian, which is pretty good considering we don't really get this sort of stuff in the thrift out here very often. So this is the first time I've ever seen any Jordan brand stuff in the thrift ever. So that was a good little pickup, and I was very excited about it, as you guys can tell. Comment down below your recent thrift pickups if they are more fire than that, which I'm sure some of you guys probably have got some pretty good stuff. So thank you for watching. Hit the video a like, and yet another shameless plug for the Instagram at Beast2East for daily fashion content. I've been actually keeping up to date with that sort of stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Brodos. You have been awesome. Stay classy.